Farmer Dean here, and I'm picking my jalapeno peppers because today I'm going to make jalapeno pepper jam. We're going to give you the recipe. I'm going to go in after I pick these, and we're going to show you exactly how to make jalapeno jam. It's so simple. Can you believe how nice my plants grew this year? I am impressed with how big and tall the bushes got and how many jalapenos. This is like the fourth or fifth picking that I've done. Hey, we're in the kitchen and I just washed the jalapenos, and I wanted to show you 4 simple ingredients that you need to make jalapeno jam. 1, of course, jalapenos, 6 cups of sugar, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and then you need some pectin. That's it. That's how simple this is. It takes more work cutting up the jalapenos than it does anything. So let me show you what I do with the jalapenos. You're gonna love this. I'm all out of kitchen gloves, so I had to go and use these gloves. Yeah, they're fresh out of the package. They've never been in the toilet bowl, so we're okay. So what I like to do, because these peppers are so hot, I'm going to take out all the veins. I'm going to take out all the seeds on about a cup when I get done. When I eat the jam, I don't want to burn my mouth. I want it to be a nice flavor to it. Because they're so hot this year, I'm going to do half and half. 1 cup veined and no seeds, and 1 cup with seeds and veins in it. This is the longest part. It takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it to do this so you have what you want. There's a few seeds left over. That's okay. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting these little smaller pieces because I'm going to use this to chop them up. Now you couldn't put them in a blender, but I find that I get a better chop with this than I do in a blender. When I'm canning like this, it brings back a lot of memories of when I was young and working and helping my mother can. She canned probably 600-700 different quarts of all sorts of things, peas and beans and corn and peaches and applesauce and you name it, we canned it because that's what we lived on all winter long. This is why you should can with your kids, is you create those memories that I have. So I'm going to chop this all up. I dice it up so it looks sort of like that. I'm going to do the ones that's got seed in them and veins. This will give me the heat that I want. This goes a lot quicker. We're going to chop them up again. I love this chopper. My mother would have given anything to have one of these. We're all ready to put our mixture on there. I'm going to use 2 heaping cups of jalapenos, just a little bit of sugar, only 6 cups. 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. We're going to put everything on the heat. I kind of keep it stirred until it comes to a roaring boil because I don't want the sugar to burn on the bottom. That's what I'm really concerned about. So canning's really expensive, you know. I'm being facetious because all you need is something that you can boil water in, a funnel, which I'll put in here so that I boil it up a little bit and get everything chilled on it. A really good ladle. You need this thing to grab the jars with. It's a jar grabber. So you don't burn those hands of yours. Pretty simple. So you can see I've got it to a roaring boil right now. I'm going to put in my pectin, and then once it comes back up to a roaring boil, I'll time it for 1 minute. Okay, so we got a roaring boil. I'm going to put it on my timer, and I will stir this the whole time so we don't get it overflowing. So there's our minute. We're going to turn this off, and we're ready to start canning. So we get our jars out of here without burning our hands because it's going pretty good. So there's our jar. Our funnel, we're going to get out our funnel. And then we're going to ladle this in, stir it up. You want to be about a 1/2 inch from the top. There we go. Perfect. Most important thing, wipe off the rim. If you don't wipe off the rim, you won't get a good seal. I'm going to put this in the hot water, the lid, and that's to help with the seal. Put that down. Put this in the water bath and repeat 7 times. I let them cook in a water bath for 15 minutes, and that should seal everything. In fact, all except one is sealed already. It didn't take long, but this one's not sealing. If it doesn't seal, guess what? I'll eat it. If you really want to try something, put it on a cheese sandwich. Put the cheese down, spread this out, and a little bit of mustard with it. Oh, my goodness, it's unbelievable. If you have a recipe to do something with jalapenos by canning them, let me know because I'm always open to new recipes and I love it. OMG! OMGs, I love my pepper jam. Do me a favor, become my best friend. Like and follow.